Hey everyone, and welcome back to Essence of Polish. Today's video we're going to be working on this beautiful simple baby blue design. So let's get started. I'm only using two polishes, and these are from a brand that was recommended to me, a brand called Believe Beauty. The baby blue is called Apres Sky, and I'm going to be applying 2 coats of that. The second polish I'm using, which I mentioned, is also Believe Beauty. The name of this polish is Starry. It's a clear base polish with really pretty iridescent flakies inside. Whenever you have 1 or 2 spots where you want to add some more sparkle in that one spot, then what I like to do is just take a piece of glitter right off the brush using my orange stick and just apply it to my nail. I'm gonna come back to the glitter nails, my ring finger and my thumb, but while that first layer is drying a little bit, I'm going to apply top coat to my other nails. And if you don't know, my favorite top coat is Seche Vite. Now I'm going to top coat those 2 as well and move on to the next step, which is using some rhinestones. I'm going to be using IBD Hard Gel to stick on my rhinestones. These 2 came together along with 6 other colors. These originally came in a bag, but there's no way to reseal the bag once you open it. So I just dumped it in these acrylic jars. And this last pack of stones came in a tray of 10. And as you can see, I kind of broke it by accident. So all I did was use my cleanup brush to scoop up a little bit of the hard gel and just put it on my nail, and then pick up a rhinestone and put it on top of the gel. You can move the rhinestone before curing so you can put it in the position that you like it. So I just did that and then did a quick 30-second cure just to hold the rhinestone in place while I finish out the nail or finish out the design. Once you cure the hard gel, it gets like a sticky layer on top of it, and you can get rid of that by wiping it down with alcohol or polish remover or acetone, but of course acetone and polish remover will mess up your design, so might as well use alcohol. So I just applied a second layer of top coat. I don't know why I did. I guess I forgot that I applied top coat already. But yeah, that's the end of this design. I hope you guys like it. Let me know in the comment section below what you think. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video.